They were riding for 40 years. They were part of police patrol, HPG. Then when they enrolled here, they thought they already know how to ride. And then we gave them the drills that I gave you. They can't do it.
Good morning, good morning. Guess what we're doing today? No, it will be a surprise. So it's 8 a.m. in the morning and we're currently in the motorcycle riding school in the Philippines. So these guys here will teach me how to properly drive off-road because I really think it's super important to know it. And in general, like it's super important to know what you're doing, how to lift the bike, to gain some knowledge. So here we go.
My name is Coach Chico. I'll be handling your trainings for today. Welcome to Motorcycle Riding School Philippines. Now, first off, we will be doing our orientation and preparation. I'm going to be teaching you more of controlling the clutch and shifting, okay? Even with old riders, they just stand beside the bike and then they push. What happens if the bike gets snatched? You get pulled, right? Your hip. Good. That one. Hip. Hip. See? Your body's getting used to the weight of the bike. Even if you're just standing here in traffic, you can do that. Don't let the bike leave your hip. Huwag mong takasan yung motor!
Oh, this was actually so much fun. Like, not just that you learn something out of it, it's like super fun. Like you enjoy your time, and it's really nice to see that once you start something, you're not that good at it, like circling around or something like that, and then you just get better and better after a couple of hours. So I think it's pretty important to learn the basics, like at least the basic. And I know that around 90% of Filipinos doesn't even know the basics, how to properly drive or how to lift the bike, or I don't know, like really the basics. And I hope with that video that I could spread some awareness. Don't be a kamote driver, go to the school, and you never learn out. Like there is always something to learn. And I think the most dangerous people on the road are these people who think they know it all. So go to the school at least one day, check it out, and it will not disappoint you, I promise. Photo. Okay. Ready?
No.
Why do you think is it important that you offer a school for motorcyclists here?
Okay. Now, one of the problems here in the Philippines is anybody can buy a motorcycle. Okay. So that's not a good and bad basis. So anybody can buy motorcycles, everybody can have their own means of transportation. The problem here is education. So if you want to buy a motorcycle, or if you need to buy a motorcycle, you need to be properly educated on how to ride a motorcycle. Actually, most of our students here that went here, studied here, learned how to ride here, they keep on going back so they could learn more, advance their skills. And they are actually less kamote on the streets. That's the reason why they want to further their skills, further their knowledge. Okay. To prevent accidents, prevent being a kamote on the road.
Yeah, I actually thought that I would drop the bike at least 3 times.
Yeah.
Because it's like, here it's kind of a safe space.
Yes.
To drop it and to fall. And I think even if you fall, it's like kind of experience and you learn from it.
Yeah, most of the time when their students fall, they just laugh it off. Oh, fall down. Okay, take pictures first. Okay, then pick the bike up. We don't want the students to fall, but if it happens, it's not really that serious.
Yeah.
Most of the time, it's a slide, it's an accidental use of the front brake, bike falls down, split rolls.
Yeah.
But afterwards, they just stand up, check, okay, I'm good.
Yeah. Yeah. So what exactly do you offer here in the school?
Okay, so we have a lot of, not a lot, we have different types of modules for different skill levels from 0 to advanced. Okay, we teach kids as early as young as 4 years old, as long as the kid knows how to ride a bike. We have kids learn to ride 4 years old up until 9 years old, Then after learn to ride, it's the course that you take. It's the basic off-road. It's an intro to off-road. So it gives you an advanced lesson on braking, cornering, and some advanced drills. It makes you more confident riding off-road. Okay, after the basic off-road, we have the trail ride module. Okay, this is if you want to go or explore the trails. But if you're still not sure if you want to do the trail ride module yet, we can let you experience it. We have the trail ride experience. We're gonna do some back roads, go to some river crossings in the mountains. And if you did enjoy it, we can take the trail ride module. We also have an adventure camp. Adventure training module and adventure camp where we can teach you how to properly control your heavy. These are 250 kilo bikes, so you can control it slowly and safely.
It's important for you to share to the people who are watching right now.
For riding?
For riding, yeah.
Okay, for riding. Just clarify. First
You
off,
can share your philosophies as well, no problem.
First off, just ride as fast as your skills can. Practice first. Learn. Educate yourself. You want to learn how to ride fast? Go to a riding school. There are a lot of different riding schools nowadays. There are riding schools for off-road. There are riding schools for trails. There are riding schools for circuit. Riding schools for adventure bikes. Enroll. Learn. Okay? Your brain has enough storage, okay, to absorb all those skills. Okay? Only ride as fast as your guardian angel can fly.
And be open if somebody is telling you, oh, maybe you're doing it wrong like that.
Yeah.
Maybe you should change it, because I know a lot of people who are like, oh, I know everything, it's fine,
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
driving good.
We have that. We have students like that. Riding for 40 years.
Yeah, you
They
never...
were riding for 40 years. They were part of police patrol, HPG. Then when they enrolled here, they thought they already know how to ride. And then we gave them the drills that I gave you. They can't do it. Okay?
Yeah, because they never learned the basics.
Yes.
And I think as soon as you learn the basics, then you can build up. It's like a house.
Yes, you really need a good foundation. We actually encourage parents to ride with kids. Those kids will soon ride. Okay, start them young. Build a good foundation. Okay. So when they grow up, they're gonna get their own bikes. Okay. They have the correct set of skills, correct set of base skills for them to improve, to go to advance. Well, as a parent myself, I taught my kids as young as 4. Yeah, because the problem is I learned to ride when I was 21 na. Basically late. I'm a late bloomer. And nobody taught me how to ride. I'm one of the kamotes
Yeah.
earlier. 20 years ago, yeah. I'm one of the kamote. Twist my throttle so fast. Okay, I've been hit once, I've hit other people. So, it's like, it's not worth it. And then, when I came here to the school, when I learned what they're teaching, with Mel Aquino, when he taught me his skills, when he taught me what he learned, the modules, and now I'm teaching them. Suddenly, I thought of my kids. Okay, I want my kids to learn early, so they will not experience what I've experienced.
Anything else you want to share?
Okay. If you want to learn how to ride a motorcycle, if you want to improve your skills, you can come here at Motorcycle Riding School Philippines. We're located here at Padilla, Barangay Inarawan, Antipolo City. We have our Facebook page with the same name, Motorcycle Riding School Philippines by Mel Aquino.
You can find it down now. I will write it down.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So feel free to inquire. We start with kids as early as 4 years old, as long as they can balance na. And then for intermediate to advanced, we have courses for you. Just inquire here.
God. How?
Or here.